In this video, I'll perform AWS registration process for a new account. So I've just typed in the Google AWS account, aws.amazon.com. Create a free account, and now we have to type email address, password, confirm password, AWS account name. Meanwhile, install an app on your mobile called Google Authenticator. Right, so this is the second step. So I'm gonna use it for personal projects, and I'm gonna type some of my details. The next step, we have to provide a credit card number or debit card number. As to perform a security check, AWS will charge us for £1. Unfortunately, it's necessary. We have to do that. AWS will not charge us anything else. It will charge us only for the service that we will use. Some of the services are paid, some of them are not. Some of them we've got the limits to use them. I will briefly tell you later on what you can use, what you should avoid, and show you the billing, how to check the billing of the accounts, etc., etc. So at this moment you have to type a valid credit or debit card number, and wait till AWS will charge you. So my debit card has been charged, everything was correct. I've had a situation when I was trying to establish an account like a couple of months ago, and the transaction failed. Unfortunately, my bank has thought that this transaction is a fraud, so I've had to contact with the bank and sort it. If you will receive information that the transaction was failed, then one of the solutions could be to contact your bank and just tell them that you want to perform the transaction. But hopefully it will work fine, as it worked in my situation at this very moment. Okay, so now I'm gonna perform some other identity steps. So I have provided the mobile phone number, and now I've received the code. So I'm gonna type it. And now I have to pick a plan. So as we are gonna learn about AWS, so I'm gonna pick basic support, which is complete sign up. Then go to the AWS management console. So this is my first not the registration but login process. So I'm gonna pick root user, provide my email address, click next, and perform another security authentication procedures. So I've just logged into my new account. One thing, you've got several options to choose here. I'm always picking New North Virginia, as the rumors said that the rates are the cheapest one. So for example, I'm gonna go to billing. So it is written that you are eligible for the AWS free usage tier. See the getting started guide. Okay, and the getting started guide it is written that when you create an AWS account, you're automatically signed up for the AWS free tier for 12 months. So this is the free tier. I've just clicked AWS free usage tier. So what's important here? The important thing is that we've got the free of charge service for our database. So basically we can create a database and use it for 750 hours. But I'll tell a little bit about that when we will when I'll record a video about how to create actual database on AWS. So I think that's enough for this tutorial. In the next video I will try to enlarge the information regards AWS. There's one more thing which I have forgotten to perform. As I've told you earlier that we need authentication, Google Authenticator the application installed on our mobile device. So click here, go to security credentials. There's a thing called multi-factor authentication. Click here and click activate MFA. And then pick virtual MFA device, click continue. And now open your Google Authenticator. Then on the bottom right corner there is a colorful plus button, just click it. Then click here show QR code, click scan the QR code, scan it, and there's your Google Authenticator will start to show you Amazon Web Service root account. Type the number which was just displayed and then wait a bit till till another number is gonna be displayed. Okay. And assign MFA. Okay. So now my device, my mobile phone is linked with the AWS account. So every time I'm gonna log in to this account, I will have to perform extra authenticate procedure. So click sign out, then sign into the console. Make sure this is the proper email address, root user, click next, type those security credentials to CSTMC, provide the password, and now you have to provide MFA code. So what you have to do is to open your Google Authenticator and type the number which is displayed on that application. And that's it. Now you are logged in. Make sure that you are sticked to your mobile device, as I've had a situation when I've lost one of my mobile device and that was difficult to re-establish my account. I've had to contact with the AWS service. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video.